Welcome to the Frugal Mindset, the channel that promotes smart and strategic thinking for entrepreneurs who want to make the most out of their resources. With a net worth of billions of dollars and a track record of groundbreaking innovations in industries such as electric vehicles, space exploration, and renewable energy, Musk's success is nothing short of awe-inspiring. So, whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur or simply someone seeking inspiration from a true visionary, this video is for you. Join us as we explore the top 10 lessons from Elon Musk that can help us in our entrepreneurial journey. But before we dive into the lessons, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos on the Frugal Mindset. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. Now, let's get started. Lesson 1. Think big and set ambitious goals. One of the most notable characteristics of Elon Musk is his audacious goal setting. Musk is known for thinking big and setting seemingly impossible goals that push the boundaries of what is considered achievable. From founding SpaceX with the aim of making humanity a multi-planetary species to creating Tesla to accelerate the adoption of sustainable transportation, Musk's goals are nothing short of ambitious. This lesson teaches us the importance of setting high goals that inspire and motivate us to strive for excellence, rather than settling for mediocrity. By setting ambitious goals, we're more likely to push ourselves to achieve greatness and make a significant impact in our chosen field of entrepreneurship. Musk's ambitious goals are not only limited to his business ventures but also extend to addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change and sustainable energy. His commitment to creating a better future for humanity through his ventures is truly inspirational and serves as a powerful reminder that entrepreneurship can be a force for positive change. Lesson 2. Embrace failure and learn from it. Despite his remarkable successes, Elon Musk has also faced numerous failures throughout his career. From failed rocket launches at SpaceX to production challenges at Tesla, Musk has experienced setbacks that could have discouraged many entrepreneurs. However, what sets him apart is his ability to embrace failure and learn from it. Musk views failure as an opportunity for growth and learning, rather than a reason to give up. He has famously said, "Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough." This lesson teaches us that failure is an inherent part of the entrepreneurial journey and should not be feared or avoided, but rather embraced as a valuable learning experience. It is through failures that we gain valuable insights, identify areas for improvement, and develop resilience, which are essential qualities for long-term success as an entrepreneur. By embracing failure and learning from it, we can turn setbacks into stepping stones towards achieving our goals. Lesson 3. Have a clear vision and purpose. Elon Musk is known for his clear vision and purpose-driven approach to entrepreneurship. He has a compelling vision for the future and is deeply passionate about the causes he champions, such as space exploration and sustainable energy. Musk's vision and purpose provide him with a clear sense of direction and guide his decision-making and actions. This lesson emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision and purpose in entrepreneurship. Having a clear vision helps entrepreneurs define their goals, set priorities, and make strategic decisions that align with their long-term objectives. It also serves as a source of inspiration and motivation during challenging times. Musk's unwavering commitment to his vision has helped him overcome obstacles, attract talent, and build a strong following of supporters who share his vision and purpose. Lesson 4. Innovate and disrupt. Elon Musk is known for his disruptive innovations that have transformed industries and challenged the status quo. From revolutionizing the electric vehicle industry with Tesla to disrupting the aerospace industry with SpaceX, Musk has a relentless drive to push boundaries and create breakthrough technologies. This lesson highlights the importance of innovation and disruption in entrepreneurship. In today's fast-paced and competitive business landscape, innovation is essential for staying ahead of the curve and creating a unique value proposition. By constantly challenging existing norms and seeking new solutions, entrepreneurs can create products, services, and business models that disrupt traditional markets and offer significant value to customers. Musk's bold approach to innovation serves as a powerful reminder to entrepreneurs to continuously push the boundaries of what is possible and embrace a culture of innovation in their businesses. Lesson 5. Work hard and be persistent. Elon Musk is known for his tireless work ethic and unwavering persistence. He has often worked long hours, taken risks, and persevered through challenges to bring his visions to reality. This lesson emphasizes the importance of hard work and persistence in entrepreneurship. Success in entrepreneurship rarely comes easy, and it requires a high level of dedication, perseverance, and resilience. Musk's relentless pursuit of his goals, despite facing numerous obstacles, is a testament to the fact that hard work and persistence are critical factors in achieving entrepreneurial success. This lesson serves as a reminder to entrepreneurs that success does not come overnight, but requires consistent effort, determination, and perseverance. Lesson 6. Surround yourself with the right talent. Elon Musk recognizes the importance of having the right team to support his ambitious goals. He has a track record of hiring top talent and building high-performing teams in his companies. This lesson underscores the significance of surrounding yourself with the right talent in entrepreneurship. Building a strong team is crucial for the success of any business. The right team can complement the strengths and weaknesses of the entrepreneur, bring diverse perspectives, and contribute their unique skills and expertise to achieve the overall vision of the business. Musk's emphasis on hiring top talent and fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation within his teams has been instrumental in his success as an entrepreneur. This lesson reminds entrepreneurs to invest in building a talented and dedicated team that shares their vision and can drive the business forward. Lesson 7. Take calculated risks. Elon Musk is known for taking calculated risks in his entrepreneurial ventures. From investing his own money into SpaceX and Tesla to taking risks in launching new products and entering new markets, Musk has demonstrated a willingness to take calculated risks to achieve his goals. This lesson highlights the importance of taking risks in entrepreneurship. Risks are inherent in entrepreneurship, and avoiding risks altogether can hinder growth and limit opportunities. However, taking reckless risks can also be detrimental to the success of a business. Musk's approach to taking calculated risks, where risks are thoroughly evaluated and potential rewards are carefully considered, serves as a valuable lesson for entrepreneurs. This lesson encourages entrepreneurs to embrace calculated risks as a necessary part of the entrepreneurial journey and make informed decisions based on thorough analysis and assessment of risks and rewards. Lesson 8. Surround yourself with the right talent. Elon Musk recognizes the importance of having a strong team to support his entrepreneurial endeavors. He understands that the success of his companies depends on the collective effort of a skilled and dedicated team. This lesson underscores the significance of surrounding yourself with the right talent in entrepreneurship. Building a competent and aligned team is crucial for the success of any business. As an entrepreneur, it's essential to hire individuals who possess the right skills, knowledge, and attitude to contribute to the company's goals. Musk emphasizes the importance of hiring the best talent, even if it means being demanding and rigorous in the hiring process. He seeks out experts in their respective fields and empowers them to lead and innovate. Musk's approach to team building serves as a valuable lesson for entrepreneurs to prioritize talent acquisition, development, and retention. Lesson 9. Focus on long-term vision. Elon Musk is known for his long-term vision and commitment to achieving his ambitious goals. He has a clear vision for the future and is willing to invest significant time and resources to realize that vision. This lesson highlights the importance of having a long-term vision in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is not a short-term endeavor, and success often requires a long-term perspective. Having a clear vision of where you want to go and setting long-term goals can provide a sense of direction and purpose, even during challenging times. Musk's unwavering focus on his long-term vision, despite facing obstacles and setbacks, serves as a powerful reminder to entrepreneurs to keep their eyes on the bigger picture and stay committed to their long-term goals. Lesson 10. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Elon Musk has experienced failures in his entrepreneurial journey, such as setbacks with SpaceX rocket launches and production challenges with Tesla. However, he has always used these failures as learning opportunities to iterate, improve, and come back stronger. This lesson emphasizes the importance of embracing failure as a valuable learning opportunity in entrepreneurship. Failure is inevitable in entrepreneurship, and it should not be feared or avoided. Instead, entrepreneurs should view failure as an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve their businesses. Musk's approach to failure as a stepping stone to success serves as a valuable lesson for entrepreneurs to embrace failure, learn from mistakes, and use them as opportunities for growth and improvement. In conclusion, Elon Musk's entrepreneurial journey is filled with valuable lessons that can inspire and guide aspiring entrepreneurs. From having a bold vision and purpose to taking calculated risks, working hard, surrounding oneself with the right talent, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, and staying committed to long-term goals, Musk's approach to entrepreneurship exemplifies the traits of a successful entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, it is crucial to cultivate a frugal mindset by being strategic with resources, focusing on long-term goals, and continuously learning and adapting. By embodying the lessons learned from Elon Musk's entrepreneurial journey, entrepreneurs can develop a mindset that is focused on innovation, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of their vision. So, whether you are starting a new business or looking to grow an existing one, take inspiration from Elon Musk's frugal mindset and apply these lessons to your own entrepreneurial journey. If you found this video useful, then please don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And for more valuable content on entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the Frugal Mindset channel. Thank you.